So a friend of the channel, Gary, asked, why don't you show us you digging up some of these stumps? You talk about digging up stumps, but you don't show us digging up stumps. So I'm going to show you how we dig up stumps. So we have a couple of different methods for digging up the stumps depending on the type of stump that we're digging up. So we've got the skid steer we can put the bucket on. We've got the tractor we can put the bucket on. But the skid steer also has a backhoe attachment. And so I've already loosened some of the soil around this particular stump, and now we're using the much larger tractor with a chain to pull the stump up out of the hole. And when that doesn't work by itself, then we use them in combination. My approach has been to dislodge the soil from around the stump. I try not to dig out the soil and move it to the side, because then I've got a hole to fill back in. I try to dislodge it and work my way around the stump, and if it gets a little too cumbersome, then I'll actually move the dirt out of the hole. I wait for it to wiggle like a loose tooth, and when it's got enough give, then we hook the tractor up with the chain and give her a tug, and in some cases it doesn't take much effort at all. In addition, we're also removing the debris, additional roots, smaller things that are around the base of the tree. We have lots of vines, such as wisteria, wild grape, and whatever else happens to grow wild in Georgia, that has had larger root systems around the base of some of these trees. We're prepping this area for a much larger garden space than what we have at the house. And so you'll see us pause occasionally. I'm experimenting with my technique here for producing a 360-degree video. You'll see us pause when we pull this little wagon out, and what are we doing on the ground? Well, we're picking up roots and limbs and other things, plus we're also picking up rocks, very large rocks. The smaller ones, smaller than a baseball, we throw into the road, and then the ones that are larger than a baseball, we cart away. Our buddy Robert picked us up a toy tool, and this is used for pulling smaller stumps up out of the ground. In this case, this is a nice size little stump that we had kind of worked loose just with some hand tools, and we wanted to pull this up out of the ground. This particular tool, as you pull, it cinches the jaw shut to provide additional biting force on the subject matter. We use this on smaller stuff, and in particular some of the more rooty vine type products.
Not too bad.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.